Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have taken me a little break, so I'm back now after 4 weeks. I had to get some rest, and I've got one of the newest cars out. This is the 1965 Buick Riviera, and it's black, and it's a phaser from Kyosho. So I'm not going to waste too much time here. I'm going to set the camera down and we're going to give it a box. I also have another surprise that you might want to stick around for later. Another classic car with two bodies. Thing's really good, dude. Dude. I was planning on getting one more classic car, and then they came out with this, so that added two more classic cars. Guys, man, this thing is really cool. No, it is not the one with the bubble in the back. Riviera Grand Sport. Oh, I can't read that one. I'll have to bring it up to the magnifying glass. This thing is tight, man. Alright, let's take a look. I have some more updates to show you guys. Almost done laying the foundations to start building the 110 scale garage down below and up top here, of course. Alright. So we got the light buckets, of course, dual headlights in the rear as well. Love the fact that you can see through the windows, but it is still a decal. So I'm wondering, I'll take the decal out of the windows and make them more clear. Without the trim, of course. Opposite type wipers. Really love that front end, man. So it looks like decals, but there are headlights. This ought to be interesting. This thing is real nice. Look good on a lowrider too. Look real good on a lowrider. Alright, my friends. I've also got some more goodies for the garage accessories that I'll be showing you later as well. And I have some new wheels and tires coming up as well that are here. So stick around, my friends. Tell me what you think about this cool new black Buick Riviera. Have a good one, guys.